Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to do a distance sensor tutorial. So for today we're gonna need an Arduino board. We don't need a breadboard, but if you want to use one you can. I'm not going to, so just be there. And then a HCSR04. So this is the distance sensor. It's very cool how they work. And then for wires. As it is the convention, I'll be using blue for ground and red for the voltage. So I'll go ahead and wire in blue to the ground pin, red to the 5 voltage pin. The sensor will have the first pin is the voltage, which is labeled VCC. So sometimes this is another notation for voltage, for the voltage pin, or for the positive end. And then ground, as it always is G and D. Then I'm gonna connect the second pin to I'll cut a bit out. The second pin to the yellow cable, so that is the trig label pin, and then the green to the echo pin. So basically the way this works is there will be a trigger, and then this is basically what it's doing, is sending a sound pulse that then gets read back to it depending on where it bounced off. It's a bit like a collocation in a way, where it uses ultrasound. We can hear it, but that's how we would know, because we know what the speed of sound is. If you don't know, it's 340 meters per second. So this device, what it does, it measures the time for that sound wave to bounce back. So depending how far away one of these objects is, we can work out the distance of that object, which is pretty cool. Anyways, then we'll connect our yellow wire into pin number 9 and our green wire into pin number 10. And so I'll then go ahead and plug in my serial connector, my USB. Now you won't be able to see anything from here because you can't see the sound, and we can hear it because it's ultrasound. But the code, it will measure distance. So I will put my hand. So I'll put it here, and then this will be reading the maximum distance because there's nothing bouncing off it. And then I'll put a ruler right here so you can see this is about 15 centimeters, and then you'll be able to see that when I put, let's say, my breadboard, how it goes to 15, and as I move closer it gets lower to, so this is 5, about 5, this is about 10, it's about 15, which is pretty cool. So we can use this in many ways. We'll be able to tell distance, which is usually what we use our eyes for. So I hope that was useful for you guys, and thanks for watching.